Hey guys, this is Anushruti and I'm back with a new video. In this video, I will not only be unboxing my swags but also tell you how I got these swags. So watch till end to know how I earned my Google Cloud Facilitator swags. Let's go. Let's check out what's inside the bag. Let's open it. A sipper bottle. Now let's check what's more. A cool pack of stickers and a t-shirt. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, now one more t-shirt. That's nice. A hoodie. Wow, that's cool. Google Cloud. You can see the quality is also good. Now last but not the least, the bag. It has two compartments. One for the laptop as well, you can see. The bag is good. Now let's arrange this all together so that you can see two t-shirts, one sticker pack, one hoodie, a bag and a sipper bottle. So yes, this was all what I got for being a facilitator in 30 days of Google Cloud in my campus. And yes, only being a facilitator not ensures you swags. You have to complete certain milestones which are decided by the program managers. Basically, this program was about building up your career in Google Cloud, the tool that powers app like Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, etc. And along the way, learn concepts like uh, big data, machine learning, application development, etc. And all the campus facilitators were trained to help and guide the students. Under my campus, 150 plus students registered, and out of which 75 plus completed both the tracks, that was cloud engineering, data science, and machine learning track. And 80 plus students completed the first track. Now there were prizes for completing these tracks as well. So the first question that comes to the mind is, how can I become a Google Cloud Facilitator? So the first thing is that your college should be a part of Google Developer Students Club, and then a student interest form is issued around August and September. You have to fill up that form, and for the further selection process, your GDSC lead will contact you. And secondly, you should be yourself a bit aware about the Google Cloud technology. You will be facilitating the students, and for that there are proper training sessions for the facilitators as well, so that's not a big issue. That's all what I wanted to share with all of you. And if you want more such updates about these programs, then do subscribe and press the bell icon, because most of these programs are first come first serve basis, and the seats are limited. Also, do like the video, and I would love to hear your suggestions and reviews. Thanks and